Hey folks, thank you for missing me. I've missed me myself. It's not been a good time. I'm going to tell you the story elsewhere, I think. But meantime, I'm back. I'm able to pick up the guitar again, which is great. It seems to still work. Hoping to get back into life a little bit as it is, the new life. Wishing you all luck. I don't think it's been easy for any of us. I think it's changed us all psychologically quite a lot, and there's going to be a lot of work needs to be done to kind of rehabilitate lots of us who have lost our way. I think it was to be expected because it's a sudden rewrite of our universe, isn't it? So I'm not going to say too much, but sending you all lots of love. Hope you're all keeping well, healthy out there, which is the main thing. And getting back into life yourselves in a very careful way. So God bless. I'll talk to you soon. This kind of sounds like Hard Day's Night, but it's not. It's choose a one open string. Well, it's good to be back. I guess these things still work, and this still works. My baby. Good to be back with her. My God. I'll talk to you.